hears the prayers of love. Oh, hearken, Lord, vento my suit, and my petition sign. Into the